Welcome to the How To series. In this episode, we'll show you how to use SeekFree function on UniEase. Let's get started. SeekFree is an intelligent search feature that introduces a brand new way to retrieve footage in UniEase. By simply entering text descriptions, users can quickly locate relevant images and video clips that match specific criteria without complex filters or time-consuming manual searches. Before using SeekFree in UniEase, please make sure that an NVR that supports the SeekFree function has been added to UniEase. Smart events are enabled under Event Smart Event Multi-Target Detection. Log into the app, click Search. You'll see the SeekFree option here. Click SeekFree. Now enter an object description to begin your search. For example, type a person with black jacket. And click this button. All videos containing a person with black jacket will be displayed. Click the image to check more details, such as viewing and downloading the playback. Performing ACU search. Searching for a person with his picture. You can also search for a white car or a person with cigarettes. The corresponding video clips will be listed instantly. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.